Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Fantasy World. I was not very regular these days because of some personal stuffs going on, but now I'll be posting lots of videos, hopefully. And talking about this look, I created this beautiful black smoky eye look with a nude lip, and I have used very much affordable products. So if you are interested to know how I created this look, so please watch till the end and hit the like button, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the chotu sa notification button so that whenever I post a new video you will get notified, and if you like this video, so please do support guys. So guys, here I'm starting my skin prepping using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum because it's winters and we need to moisturize our face very well. You can use any primer or sort of moisturizer. I haven't used any kind of primer. I only moisturize my face using this face oil. It's very nice. So spreading it very nicely on my face and neck. Now I am using the foundation directly. You can use primer, but I'm not using primer now. I'm using foundation directly. It's Maybelline Fit Me on the tube size variant, and I guess I'm in the shade 330 Toffee. It's a little bit darker shade, but I really wanted to have that tan effect. And for blending this out, I'm using a sponge. Firstly, I just spread it out with a brush, and so I have blended my foundation with the sponge. Now talking about the eyes, I'm gonna create a black smoky eye look. So for transition, I'm here using a very kind of a beads shade on my crease area and very lightly blending this all above my crease. So you need to put the color and then started blending it out. I don't know why my camera is not picking up the right shade, but it's a little bit darker. And here I'm using a kajal pencil. I'm just like giving a base so that my color look more intensify. You can directly use a black eyeshadow, powder eyeshadow, but first you need to put a base so that your color will look more intensified and more like a jet black kind of thing. So this is a Stay Quirky kajal guys. You will love this kajal. I will recommend you to buy it. It's very nice kajal, smudge proof, jet black, and so affordable. So you don't need to be very precise on applying the kajal. Just apply it on your eyelid and start blending it out with a smudger brush. If you don't have any smudger brush, just use a thick kind of brush and smudge it out. We'll later on put the black powder eyeshadow as well, but first I'm blending this out because it's a gel kind of kajal. It will get settled down once we have applied it, so you need to blend this out. Now I'm taking a darker brown shade to apply it just above the black black color, black kajal we smudged it. So it will give a very nice gradient kind of effect from like darker to lighter shade, like a ombre effect. So you can just switch colors, like different kind of colors, but brown and black are perfect match together. So I have applied the brown shade and like smudging it out and blending two shades together so that it will look very blended. So take your time and blend. You need to blend it nicely. So now I'm gonna take a little bit lighter shade. No. I'm using this dark brown shade just to intensify the shade more and blending it. It takes a bit of time. It's like a patient kind wala thing hai ye. Take your time and blend. Just to be careful that you have to blend the black eyeshadow, the black kajal which you smudged and brown, so that it will look very merged together. I'm just focusing, like I'm just putting it in a V shape and like blending it all over my eyelid on the crease area. So now I'm taking this black powder eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution palette and just placing the black eye shade to the black kajal that I earlier smudged, so that it will look more intensified. And you can clearly see how I am like blending this. Firstly, I'm patting the color and then blending it. Use a very light hand while blending your eye shades. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy blending brush and just gonna take a very lighter shade and blending all over my lid, so that it will not look like a very clean kind of area. It will look very nicely blended. Now taking same brown color, I'm not taking any product, just blending it with a brush. Okay, I have already applied my falsies, and with the same palette I'm contouring my face. So it's a very multitasking kind of palette. I will you can use eyeshadow, you can use as a contour, you can use as a blush. It's a very multitasking palette. So I'm contouring my face. Now I'm gonna use a concealer just to highlight a bit. I'm not a concealer fan, and the concealer today I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me One. It's an highlight concealer, and putting it on the usual places like bridge of the nose and in little bit of in forehead, beneath the eyes and chin, and blending it with a brush. Please ignore guys, I have cold, so my voice is little bit heavier, like sounding it's a little bit heavier. Now I'm using this same kajal in my waterline. So I'm applying this on my waterline and you can see how beautiful it is. Applying the same kajal to tightline my waterlines. Okay, we're gonna smudge it later, but firstly we need to apply a kajal, and to smudge it out I'm using this dark brown shade, taking a thick kind of a dense brush, and you just need to apply it under the काजल के जस्ट नीचे आपको अप्लाई करना है. So you just need to apply the kajal very nicely and then smudge it out using a dense brush with a dark brown shade, and voila, it's done. So for the blush, I have used the same eyeshadow palette using a very kind of a peachy coral shade. It goes very nice with this bold eye look. So just using in the usual places and blending it out. Now it's time to get a glow on your face. For the glow on my face or the highlighting, I'm using as usual the same palette and taking a golden color and applying it on my cheeks, cheekbone, or you can say that. My eyelashes was a little bit falling off, so I'm fixing it. You can use your fingers as well to blend out the highlighter. And putting it on my nose, my forehead, cupid bow, and in chin. Take a very feather touch kind of hand so that your highlight will look very natural. And also I'm highlighting my brow bone using the same highlighter. If you are a beginner, just invest in a good eyeshadow palette and you can do multiple tasks with it. You don't need to buy a different contour, blush, and etc. You just need to buy a one good palette, and Makeup Revolution palette is just beautiful. Okay, done. My look is done. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. If you so, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.